They say aging is inevitable, but weakness, stiffness, slowing down, that part's optional. The truth is after 50, your body is constantly adapting either to movement or to the lack of it. That's why the most powerful thing you can do right now for your health, strength, and independence, is surprisingly simple. Squats, not machines, not supplements, not endless cardio, just squats. This one move works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and even your core all at the same time. But it's not just about muscles. Squats help reactivate balance, improve joint health, and support your spine. Here's something most people don't realize. As you age, the muscles around your hips and thighs shrink faster than almost anywhere else. That's what leads to wobbly steps, longer recovery time, and fear of falling. But when you train those muscles, even with just a few body weight squats a day, you send a signal to your body. I'm still in the game. You start rebuilding strength where it matters most. You start moving with confidence. You start feeling young again. Not just in your legs, but in your energy, your posture, your life. Even better. Squats stimulate blood flow and lymph circulation. Key for detox, recovery, and reducing inflammation. That means better mobility, less joint pain, and more freedom to move the way you used to. Picture this. You crouch down to pick something up. No cracking knees, no wincing. You walk upstairs without holding the railing. You chase your grandkids around the yard without thinking twice. That's the power of just a few daily squats. Start simple. Feet shoulder width apart. Lower down slowly like you're sitting into a chair. Keep your chest proud, knees tracking over your toes, and drive through your heels to stand tall. Do what you can. Even 5 reps a day is a win because momentum builds, and before long, you'll feel stronger, more stable, more alive. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming your strength and keeping it. So, if you're ready to move better, live better, and feel better, stick around.